Tired of staring at the same old Ubuntu login screen? Let's ditch the default and give your Ubuntu system a personal touch. First, we'll need to open up the system settings. You can usually find this by clicking on the Applications menu and looking for the settings icon, which often resembles gears or a toolbox. Once the settings window is open, navigate to the Appearance section. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your specific version of Ubuntu. But look for something related to look and feel or customization. This is where we control the desktop environment's aesthetics. Here, you'll see your current desktop wallpaper now. This is the trick. Ubuntu often uses the same wallpaper for both your desktop and the login screen, so you will need to change your wallpaper here. You can choose from the pre-installed wallpapers, or to really personalize things, select a custom image from your file system. Just click the Add Picture button and navigate to the image of your choice. After selecting your image, it will be applied as the new desktop wallpaper now. Here's something to keep in mind. Most modern Ubuntu versions automatically sync this change over to the login screen as well. To verify these changes have taken effect, we will go ahead and lock our screen. To do this, you will access the Upright System menu and lock the device. Or you can click the Power Off button, which will give you access to the lock screen. And there you have it. The login screen should now be sporting your new wallpaper. Customizing your Ubuntu login screen this way is so simple. Let us know what you think by liking and subscribing.